We are living in a very sick society. A society where someone will kill their partner and then record a video justifying why they did that. And then you will hear other people agreeing with why that person killed their partner. We live in a very sick society. We cannot afford to start condoning cold-blooded murder just because of our feeble understanding of life. We need to understand that once you kill someone, that is murder. It cannot be that now we start justifying that no, he was right for killing her. No, that is absolute rubbish.